Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to change order of icons in the app screen. Let me go to this apps tab, select apps tab from top, then go down. Here you can see your apps. So here I am going to change order of icons in this list. So we have two methods. Method 1. First select the app that you want to move. So let me select this YouTube app. Then press and hold, select or OK button on the remote. Then select move. So then we can move this app icon. Let me move this YouTube to first position. Done. After that, if you want to move another app, you can just select the app, press OK button on the remote, then you can move. Let me move that to second position. Done. After that, you can select done. That way you can save that change. Okay, so this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, go to right side, select this option, reorder. Select reorder. After that, we can just select the app icon that we need to move, select it, press OK button on the remote, then we can move. See, let me move to first position. Done. After that, if you want to save, you can select done. This is the method 2. So these are two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.